Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a racer game. So let's see what it is. Press up arrow to move your car, right arrow and left arrow to turn left and right, and then if you touch the grass it will be slower, and then if you touch the finish line it will change the lap. So let's make it. First things first, we have to delete this cat, and then we'll make a new sprite. I'll upload it. I found this on Google, so you can just find one. I'm gonna pick this red car. We'll change this to car. Go to costumes. Select this. So we'll go to stage. We'll make this big rectangle green color. Make it like grass. Make it this big. Now outline. And then we're going to go to circle. We're going to do this. Then outline, we're going to make it 100. A gray color. Oops. Gray. And then we'll make it just like this. Oops. Sorry. Wait. Take time. Move it right here. Okay, there. So let's go to the car. We'll go to when green flag clicked. We'll set the size to, let's say, 15. Test it out. Oh, that's too small. Maybe 20. Okay, that's what we want. We'll start it here. And then we'll go to X. Let's say 135. Go to X -2. And then we're going to forever loop. If key up arrow pressed, and then we're going to go to variables, make a variable, we'll call it move speed, and then okay, hide it. We'll set the move speed to 0 at the very first. When we're going to change move speed by 0.3, and then we're going to go change X, move speed. I'm going to set move speed to move speed times 0.95. So let's test it out. So this, there you go. So now let's make the turning. So if key right arrow pressed, then we're going to make another variable called turn. No, we don't need variables for this one. Sorry. We will turn 2 degrees. We'll just duplicate this. Left arrow, 2 degrees. Yeah, 2 degrees. So let's try. So here, yes, we can turn it. But I think it's too slow, the turning one. So we'll just add 3 to it. Maybe it can work. Yeah, it works perfectly. So we don't want to start the car just like a random direction. So we'll point in direction at the very first to 90. Yeah. And we don't want the car to just move to the grass just like that. So we're going to make an if in outside the up arrow pressed. If wait, we're going to do like an if else block. If else touching color the green one. We'll put it here in the else. We'll duplicate this and then we'll make it to 0.1. So let's try that. And yeah, it's lower in the grass. So we want to change the lap when we cross here. So let's go to stage, line, we'll make it black, 10, 10, we'll make it just right here. Yeah, right there. So let's go to car. And then we're going to put when green flag clicked, forever. We're going to make a variable first. We're going to go to lap. Oh, we'll show it. Forever. We'll set the lap to 1 first. Then we're going to control. Wait until wait until X position is more than 0. We'll duplicate this and then make this to X. Wait, is it here? take the number 180. 180, and then we'll make a wait until block again. So here we're going to say the less than zero. Duplicate this. Negative 180, and then make another wait until. Going to go to sensing, touching color, then this black color here, and then finally we'll change the lap by 1. So let's test it. So here, okay, turn around, normal, and then if you touch the, and then it's 2, and you can't just go here and then you touch it again, so you can't. So yeah, that's it. Oops, I forgot, we can't move backwards, so let's make that really quick. So we'll make this duplicate here, down arrow pressed, and we'll make it negative 0.3. Then we'll do the same thing here, the down arrow, negative 0.1. Oops, can't put it back. It belongs. There you go. Let's try it. Can move backwards, go front, and I think that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.